Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HONOR X7A to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and clicking on the search bars. Following that, type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, click on Open. Now, in order to use it, tap on the same options on both devices. First of all, tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can choose Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, tap on OK. Nextly, select Send at the bottom left corner of HONOR and receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, stick around to select the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to HONOR. You can finally click on Categories located at the top. Then, to select multiple files from your category, click on those type of dots at the top left corners. If you wish to just send some of your files, tap on the chosen ones instead and click on Send at the bottom. I will go with this one photo. Now tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and choose the best connection way for you. If you wish to connect using this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key. Then choose While using or Only this time and point your device's camera at the code. You can also input 6-digit key from HONOR to Input key section on an Android. When you finished, click on Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!